So I got the camera set up looking at this exhaust port here. I'm going to go turn the gas on, and you'll be able to hear the draft induction motor spin up, and you'll hear a weird sound coming out of it here. So the draft inducer is behind this panel here. This is the chimney where the exhaust comes out. And on mine, there's only 3 screws here at the bottom to hold it in. And these are 1/4 inch drive sheet metal screws. So I'll remove the cover and show you where the draft inducer goes. So there's the draft inducer motor right here. There's the gas line. There's the gas burner. So with the panel removed, you can see the draft inducer assembly. And this is the ductwork leading to the chimney straight up. It just comes at the top here. And this one runs on 220, and there's an extra wire for a different alternate voltage in 50 hertz. And you can see on mine I used the white gasket, the fiber gasket. So I tried to get this, it looks like a 1/8 Allen screw. It's so corroded I can't even get the bit in there really. And this whole fan assembly is very corroded. You can see it's kind of lost its integrity. So I can't really tell yet. I can't really tell if it's the motor or the fan that's causing the noise. But in any case, I've replaced the entire thing as an assembly, and it's running quiet now, the new one. But you can hear when I spin it by hand, it doesn't really make any obvious noise, but when you power it up, it's noisy. So in any case, the whole thing's junk, I guess. So here's a look at the data plate on the motor I removed. 3200 RPM, 230 volt, 60 hertz. Made in China. So this is the box the new assembly came in. And I'll show you where it goes in the furnace. It also came with some extra gaskets, I suppose, depending on what your application is. It came with this rather thick silicone gasket, and there was also inside this envelope here, it's kind of a metallic gasket similar to what you'd find on an exhaust manifold of a car. And there was also a fiberglass gasket, and that's the gasket I used because it was exactly like the one that was in the furnace originally.